This is a documentation of malaria by Dylan and Joe. This is Joe, an average-looking boy, innocent enough. Yes, but what happens once he gets malaria? Joe has faced the innocence of mortality. He is dead. Or he is in one of the many symptoms of malaria, such as passing out, unconsciousness, or death. Hopefully one of those first two. Let's just try and give him the vaccine.
Yes, I'm alive! Oh, yes! Yes!
Then run into the street.